Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'm going to show you how the website lead form notification works. So this is when someone signs up to your website lead form. Now let me show you what are the things that you need to do before you get this website lead notification. The first thing that you need to do is to set up your website lead form. And for you to do that, you need to go to Affiliates and Leads. And from the drop down, just go to Website Lead Form. Once you're on the screen, this is where you can create your website lead form. Basically, you need to set up everything right here. Once done, just hit on save, then copy the code, which is this one, and paste it to your website. Now, this is a sample of a website lead form. So once a customer or a possible customer signs up right here and click on submit, the information will automatically be transferred to the software. Now, if we go back to the software, you will see the notification right here at the top on the website leads icon. Once you click on that, you will be routed to the website lead form leads. And you will see the information right here. You would see the first name, the last name, the email, mobile number, the date when it was created, the status, the notes if there's any. You just have to click on that. And then under the action section, you have the option to edit the information. If you click on that, you have the option to edit the first name, last name, email, and mobile number. And you also have the option to delete this specific lead. Now, if you want to change how many records you want to appear in the grid, you just have to choose it right here. So you have the option to choose 10 records to appear, 15 records, or 30. You would also see the leads that you put on archive. So if you go to the archive screen, same thing, you would see their details right here. First name, last name, the email, mobile number, the date it was created, the status, and the notes. Then under the action section, you have the option to revert it back, basically put it back to the leads screen, which is the current. So going back to the current, if this lead is ready to sign up, you can now move him or her to the customer screen for you to start working on his account. So for you to do that, you just have to click on to check on the tick box and then hit on move. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on how the website lead notification works.